Hi guys, today I'm taking you to a very unusual hotel, a stylish new addition to Dubai. This is the third one and only property in the city. Reviews of the One and Only Royal Mirage and One and Only The Palm are also available on my channel. This is the first vertical resort, One and Only One Za'abeel. Such a beautiful lobby. This is where check-in taking place. Here's the amazing view overlooking the Dubai skyline, Museum of Future, Burj Khalifa. It's great. Such a beautiful lobby lounge, lots of air. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews of hotels in the United Arab Emirates and other countries. The elevators are called through a digital touchscreen. This is the built-in Burj Khalifa view with amazing overview of Dubai skyline. Wow, what a view! Rather modern design, stylish details. I like this box for minibar. Rather spacious bathroom with a bathtub and tropical shower and smart toilet. Montroi bath amenities. Oh wow, water slippers should be the most soft slippers I ever seen. This is like secret room. Secret room for your laundry, for room service, I think. Bathrobes. To support my channel, you can book your hotel stay via the link in the description under this video. The gym with the amazing view, overlooking the frame of Dubai. Prairie clinic. This is the link which is connected the two buildings. It's where the one and only guests can have breakfast. Amazing view. Dubai frame. This called Bridge of Life, where guests can buy a locks and put it in honor their life. This is Michelin-starred restaurant, La Dame de Pic. The link brings together the most exciting things: restaurants by world-renowned chefs, lounges and panoramic terraces. Garden area. On the fourth floor you have the swimming pool here and relaxation area. This is a playground. It's also famous for its 120-meter pool, the longest panoramic infinity pool in the world, suspended in the air. There is a kids pool here. This is family pool. It has the building looks like from outside, two towers and one link.